Railway buffer gear is a system or a device used to absorb and reduce shock impulses incurred when a rail car is in motion. It is used between the two bogies or at the end body of both sides. In this video, we will learn about the side buffer gear. It is used with diesel and electric locomotives, passenger mainline coaches, and diesel and electric multiple unit trains. It absorbs the linear forces while coming into the rolling stock and during shunting. Let's learn the different components of buffer assembly. Face. Plunger. Buffer spring rubber pads. Buffer casing. Spindle. Destruction tube etc. The buffer casing fitted at the headstock and the plunger with a coiled spring or hard rubber pad is assembled inside the casing. When the buffer plunger's end or face will come in contact with the other adjacent rolling stock, it will absorb the linear shocks coming to the headstock while on run and during shunting, thereby protecting the underframe and body from heavy shock. In the advanced rolling stock, the draw gear and buffing gear are combined together and made as one unit, which is called center buffer coupler (CBC), which is provided at the headstock at its center. In the next video, we will learn about the CBC coupler. Thank you. Let's grow up. Never stop your learning.